I came across this home program when I've attended this BSc WDC 2022 program. Event happened in Mumbai, and the vibe and the positive energy in that room actually driven us to explore the home program. And went to my board driven by Divya and Neha. There's a lot of scope to understand the corporate boards. Even though we are professionals in varied sectors, we could hardly identify what is happening on the boardrooms. So the culture, the diversity, and the corporate governance structures, principles, everything is so different for the employees. And so in order to understand the management board systems, policies, principles, and the way it happens on the boardrooms, breaking the barriers, breaking the ceiling is absolutely needed now to explore the new avenues, to understand and gain the opportunity to be part of the management boards. The Boom program has got created many opportunities to understand all these aspects practically by mentoring with expert people on sessions. And the one part which we really liked is the coffee meets, taking the specific case studies to discuss, bringing the CEOs, CXOs from the boards to share their views where the actual problem is, and asking all the participants to visualize, understand the scenario and share their views as well. This has given us the practical sense of management boards and help us to understand in deep, and explore the opportunities on the corporate boards.